Hey guys, it's me with my friend Juliana. This is my vlog, and we're just out here right now enjoying Mother Nature.
And when we get back to the house, we're going to do some slime ASMR.
I love slime, don't you?
She's going back.
Yeah, Juliana's just being a little paranoid, and I'm sorry if that's just a little annoying to you. And I got glasses! These are totally not from Claire's.
Spoiler alert! Fake reading glasses.
Yeah, they're reading glasses. This is my vlog channel. My panda's looking at me. Say hi, panda. Hi! I just got a baby panda. It's on my phone case. And yes, it's plastic. Ooh, what's on her door?
A present.
Doesn't look like a present. This looks like someone's charging them. Well, no one cares because it's my mother's. Put it back in. Oh, other door.
I'm having some rice rolls when we get in.
I'm having some pancakes and ramen when we get in. I know I'm obsessed with ramen, Juliana. Don't you love ramen, people? Comment down below if you.
Yeah,
Oh my god!
Snow washed away.
Look at our fake snow. Look at our fake snow. I can't really so much. We were just making slime, and Juliana got this all over.
No, you did it too.
Mm.
You did most of it.
No, you did.
You dumped it, oh god. Because you dumped it out.
Like you didn't too.
Exactly. I didn't.
I said did. Oh, Grandma! Hi, Grandma!
Let's go.
Hi! Hi!
Let's go.
Hi! This is me, Anna, even though you already know me.
Stop with the lipstick.
Hi, say hi.
Anna, no. What's on with your hands?
Food dye. Bye!
What is it? Wait, which one's...
Oh no! Juliana can take him!
No!
Help! Who let the dogs out? My life is just sure great. Bye guys. Have a fun day and make sure to comment, subscribe, and give it thumbs up.